Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hailey, and today we're gonna do unboxing. Woo! Dance party time. Okay, now let's stop doing a dance party. Okay, the first box we're gonna do is called Hello Kitty. Here is the front. I think this is the secret because it's on the front. I don't know. Here it is. Here's the ones I think I'm gonna get. There's two sides. Hope I get this one. Here's the back. I hope I get these two. Here's this and this. I get those two. Wait, you guys ready? Now we know it's confirmed that there's a bell on it, right guys? You guys can hear that. It's like ding, ding, like a bell sound. Okay. Oh, and I'm not gonna look at the card, guys. Do I look at the card? Never. Yeah, never. Oh, and here's the front. I'm sorry if I did that. Look. Sorry, guys. Can you wait for a sec? Sorry. Here's the front, but it peeled off. That's fine. Okay. Is that the same? No. Okay. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say on the back, it says product name Hello Kitty Style Meow Blessing Series Plush Relax Toy Mini. That's a lot of stuff on there. Okay, time to open it. I got the one I wanted again. Got the one I wanted. And this one's name is Blessing of Kindness. If you guys are having a hard day, it's gonna give you guys kindness. So cute. Here it is. Okay, and here's the card. Oh. That one's literally so cute. Okay, guys. Are you ready to throw this stuff away? I need to put this in the box. Okay, and I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you guys subscribe, to watch this video. If you like to unbox, you guys should unbox with me if you guys are in California and you have these mini boxes. Bye, and leave a comment. No, sorry. Bye.